I wanted to buy a book. That's why I chose this one. We can use one or ones to replace countable nouns. So we can say one instead of coffee, but it's possible to use this word instead of a book in a sentence. You can use it to avoid repeating yourself and if it's clear what you are talking about. The example, I went to a shop and asked for glasses, but they didn't have glasses. Glasses, glasses, repeating. It's better to say, I went to a shop and asked for glasses, but they didn't have ones. Which word would you write in this sentence, one or ones? Don't forget to like my videos. For example, this one.